attacks continue in Bahraich. An 11-year-old has now been attacked. 5 wolves have been caught. The lone wolf has attacked a child, is what we know, dragging the child by scruff of the neck. Villagers rush to save the girl in Bahraich.
ये घटना में 12 मई है जब नंदिया हम चिल्लान है तो हम हुआ साहे पढ़े रहन मनान मुन बच्चा लेके तो जब आवाज सुने हैं तो हम आए हैं लाठी लेके तो उससे भी पूछा कि बेटिया कब हो तो कहता हमका भेड़िया पकड़ लेगा हम घिड़िया के छोड़ी सा है तो जब अरे दरवाजा हो पल्ला दरवाजा लाग हो तो भेड़िया कसका आ जा सा है तो जब फिर खान प्रधान ना दे तो क्या करीब हमारे से कोई सुनवाई प्रधान ना करत।
To the attacks by the man-eater wolves in the deep villages of Bahraich. We are on ground zero to show you the reality, where exactly that brutal attack happened. We are at the residence of, or what we say, near the hut of 11-year-old Shivani, which was brutally attacked by the wolf. This is the house, this is the entire village. But firstly, I'll show the pug marks of that particular dangerous man-eater wolf. The people have covered this into a, you can clearly see, this is the pug mark of the man-eater wolf. You can clearly see how the villagers have preserved this for the forest department officials to come and confirm, because this was the route via which that particular man-eater wolf entered the house and somehow attacked the 11-year-old girl, pulled her off from the bed towards this particular area, and we will also recover it so that it could not be disturbed, the pug mark. And you can clearly guess the area, the visuals here of the hut, how poor the family is. No doors whatsoever could ever be placed here, because these are the makeshift huts which somehow gets collapsed if there is heavy rain or flood water comes right here. And what villagers claim, that particular wolf pulled the girl towards this area, and right there somewhere around this particular area the wolf put the girl down and tried to eat her. And during that phase right here, the wolf attacked completely on the neck firstly to that particular girl, but somehow her mother came to light and shouted, after which the villagers came in and somehow got rid of that particular wolf. Thereafter, the man-eater wolf ran to the forest area towards this place from that particular farmland of the sugarcane, and somehow left the ailing girl behind. Thereafter, the villagers rushed to the CHC and later on to the district hospital. The big question is, when will the forest department will capture or rescue the final man-eater wolf? With cameraman Neeraj Kumar, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.